Hello there, I am Shashank, and in this video I am going to show you how to perform k-means clustering on a dataset. So the objective here is to find the optimum number of clusters and to visualize the number of clusters. So to do that, we have imported Seaborn and we have imported the Iris dataset over here. Split the head of the dataset. As you can see here, it contains columns which has sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width of the flower, and it also contains the species of the flower. So as the ID column is not required, we drop it. After that, we perform a shape function on the data set and we get that there are 150 records in 5 columns. There are no missing unperforming values. On the species column, you can see that there are 50 of each species. So actually there are 3 species, which is Iris, Virginica, Setosa and versicolor, and there are 50 of each. After that we perform a pair plot on the data set, setting the hue as species. So over here the orange dots, blue Setosa and green Virginica. So here you can see that for sepal length and sepal width, there is a mixture. The species are mixed and like they are not distinct enough to say one. But over here in petal length and petal width, you can see that they are distinct and you can indeed separate the species. So after that, we perform the after that we find the optimal number of clusters. So import the k-means from sklearn. We are taking a range from 1 to 11. These are the number of clusters. So for each number of cluster within cluster sum of squares, over here the WCSS is the cost function of the clustering. So as you can see here, to 2 cluster, when you change it, there's a exponential drop, and the same is true for 2 to 3. But after 3, as you can see here, there's no drastic change in the cost function. So according to the definition, the optimal number of cluster for this data set would be 3. After that, we just fit the model with the data set given, and visualize the 3 species are separated by the respective color, and yellow over here of that particular cluster.